Hey guys! Welcome back to Chiara DIY What? Today we are going to go over a chair that I remade from the thrift store, but before we get into any of that stuff, let's go over the basics. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you see all the videos all the time whenever you're ready to see them. Make sure you click the bell to get any notifications, and make sure you leave a comment down at the bottom. So, to talk about the chair, I got the chair from Habitat for Humanity for $7, and I used all the supplies that I already had in my house for the actual makeover. As far as the cushion won't be featured in this video, but I did reupholster the cushion to make it match the paint that I had for the chair that I wanted to make with the chair. So the cushion again won't be featured in this video as a reupholstery, but if you do want to see the chair being reupholstered or a cushion being reupholstered for another video, just comment below and then I'll show you guys how I did the reupholstery on the chair. So let's get into it. Let's DIY. Okay, so prior to the video, I took the cushion off to reupholster, and I do recommend taking the cushion off so that you'll have more space to work with while you're sanding and painting the chair down. As far as the sanding went, as I was sanding, I realized that the sandpaper sheet wasn't going to work because the paint that was already on the chair just was too tough coming off, so I decided to go and grab the Orbital sander, which was also work, but it was way faster than using a sandpaper. So one of my favorite bloggers said the year of 2019 is to work smarter, not harder. So I got the big guy out. So if you're going to use the spray primer, I recommend being in a well-ventilated room or a room with windows because the scent is really strong and there are like dust flurries that come up with the spray. So off camera, I did go ahead and sand down the chair after the first coat dried, and then I added a second coat of paint. And now we can get to the finished look.